What is Snowflake Data Warehouse? For people who haven't heard about Snowflake Data Warehouse, Snowflake is a cloud-based data warehousing startup based out in California, founded in 2012. Two founders were from Oracle. No surprise there. Ex-Oracle employees gave birth to a lot of startups over the decades. Recently, Snowflake came out with an IPO and listed in New York Stock Exchange on 16th September 2020. During pre-IPO, it onboarded investors such as Warren Buffett and Salesforce. Living up to the pre-IPO expectations, it got listed with more than double its IPO price of $120. Courtesy finance.yahoo.com. At close on September 18th, 2020, at the closing price of $243, Snowflake is a $67 billion company. That is massive in my opinion for a company we just started 6-7 years back and just came to IPO. What makes Snowflake Data Warehouse so special? In my opinion, the simplest answer is the problem statement the Snowflake Data Warehouse is solving. If you follow IT industry, data warehousing is not a new thing. Well, cloud-based data warehousing may be the latest trend. Of course, we already have an established players, such as Amazon has Redshift from 2012 or 2013, and Google has BigQuery. If we already have these established players, what is the problem statement that Snowflake is solving that these two were not capable at this point? Here is the problem statement. If you are part of a company and your company strategy is to move from on-premise infrastructure to any of the public cloud vendors, such as AWS or Azure or GCP, let's say as part of this cloud transformation or digital transformation strategy, your company opted for Amazon as their cloud partner, and you opted for Amazon Redshift as your data warehousing solution. So here I'm talking about a hybrid cloud situation as your current strategy. The strategies change over time, and the industry is moving from hybrid cloud to multi-cloud. After a few years, let's say there is a change in strategy at your company to move to Azure or GCP or at least adopt a multi-cloud strategy. Now the problem statement here is, how can you get ready for multi-cloud strategy when you have a lock-in with one public cloud vendor, in this case, Amazon Redshift? If I repeat this problem statement one more time, if you procure a data warehouse called Amazon Redshift from Amazon, what if you want to move this from Amazon to other public cloud vendor? How easy it is. Can you make that transformation happen seamlessly? That is the problem statement. That is exactly what Snowflake is solving. Snowflake is solving that problem statement using a feature called cloud agnostic feature. That is, Snowflake is public cloud independent. Snowflake is public cloud independent. If you follow cloud movement closely, like I briefly touched in my previous slide, we started with on-premise, such as buying your infrastructure at your data centers. Then we are moving to hybrid cloud, and multi-cloud is not far away. The basic question in multi-cloud your auditors or your board members would ask is, why to just lock in with a single cloud provider? That actually gave birth to this multi-cloud strategy. Snowflake Data Platform fits perfectly in this multi-cloud platform. It's cross-region and cross-cloud. Initially, Snowflake was only available on AWS. Later, they ported it to Azure Cloud and Google Cloud. In addition to being cloud agnostic, that is public cloud independent, it also has features like global account management and cross-region, cross-cloud database replication. So this is an interesting for database administrators or database architects. You can have your database primary running in AWS, and you can have its secondary running in Azure Cloud. See how beautiful that feature is? That may be in two different regions altogether. but we are talking about two different clouds hosting your database solution. That independence is what Snowflake is bringing onto the table. I don't know how the existing warehouse solutions such as Redshift or BigQuery or Oracle going to provide this cloud agnostic feature independently. Now, what to watch out for? Still, Amazon Redshift has a major cloud data warehousing market, which is followed by Google's BigQuery. But this underdog, Snowflake, has the backing of world-class leaders and world-class technology. In my opinion, if you are in data warehouse industry or in ETL world or in a reporting job industry, Snowflake is something you must learn. May not be too deep or at least at a high level. The Snowflake architecture, how Snowflake provides this cloud agnostic feature. When your infrastructure is cloud agnostic, obviously whatever you run in Snowflake data platform is also cloud agnostic. With that, happy learning Snowflake. That concludes my lecture. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel.